Hey everybody, it's Kelly. Welcome to my channel. Today I have a bead unboxing for Sam's Bead Box from October 2021. Very excited. These are some beautiful pieces. Czech glass, gemstones. So it says here, October 2021, putting on the glitz. And he says, while I wish I could take credit for the name of this box, that cleverness comes from our bead box queen, Lynn. Many of you have met Lynn by now on the live sales, oohing and eyeing over the new gems and trying to scare me. Thanks, Lynn. Lynn knows the box well from her meticulous work getting them out the door. And she said this might be her favorite box yet. She won't stop talking about the faceted rondelles. They are pretty sweet. So we have Lynn to thank for this month's box. They also have live sales and everything. I will leave their link below in the video where if you want to join the bead box for every month. So, okay, let's get started. So here we're starting with the Terra Cast Pack, an intermix 3-ring bar link, botanical branch link. There's 2 of one and 1 of the other. Let's start here. Oh, very cool. Kind of like an antique silver. Very pretty. Very pretty. And next is Czech glass faceted oval vitriol, 8x5 millimeters, 25 pieces. Sorry for my nails, they're a little discolored. I was painting yesterday. That's my other hobby. Oh, these are absolutely gorgeous. Look at these. Wow. Oh, I can't wait to work with these. I am never disappointed with these bead boxes. Okay, let's see. Oh, these are so cute. The Czech glass carved owls, crystal AB, 2 pieces. Oh, so cute. They have the AB finish on one side, and then on the other, it's more of a muted one. The hole goes down the middle. These would make, I would use these for charms on bracelets that I make. So cute. Here is Czech glass marquee drop, 20 by 8 millimeters, red curtain, 5 pieces. Okay, if I could get the bag open. Oh boy. Okay, there we go. Oh, so pretty. And the hole is drilled on the top corner. These would be for interesting, like, you know, maybe making like a flower or something and putting something in there. You get the idea. Like that. Okay. Next, oh, these are absolutely beautiful. Czech glass star rice bead golden night. 50 pieces. These are absolutely beautiful. They have like a gold wash star on them. It almost looks like there's wiring in them, but there's not. Absolutely beautiful. I cannot wait to work with this box. I have so many ideas. My head is spinning right now. Okay. Oh. These are gorgeous. Czech glass rose coin, Mars red, 14 millimeter, 10-piece strand. Love, love, love the coins. Oh, these are like my favorite. Absolutely love them. And then next, let's go to these. These are the Czech glass sunburst coins in jet black. 8 pieces, 14.5 millimeter. Oh, so pretty. absolutely gorgeous. Oh. So let's see. Okay, check glass pear brio jet black, 15 by 20 millimeter, 4 pieces. Okay, having a little trouble with the bag again. These are absolutely gorgeous, and they're top drilled, so you could actually use them as like a pendant, or the bottom of a focal pendant or something. Very pretty. And the thing I love about Sam's bead boxes are the holes are very uniform, just very well made beads. Never disappointed with this box. It is worth every penny you spend on it. Okay, here is Indian cut garnet, center drilled, marquee dyed, 14 by 8, 11 by 5 by 11 millimeters, 7-inch strand. I've never seen Indian cut garnet before. Oh, look at that. That is absolutely beautiful. The hole is in the middle of it. Very unique looking. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, let's see. Okay, the next is check glass faceted round black Picasso luster, 7 millimeters, 29 pieces. Oh, look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. You see the Picasso finish on there. See the, oh my gosh, these are absolutely beautiful. I have about 5 projects right now going through my head. Okay, Indian cut labradorite, regular he/she dyed, 4 by 5 millimeter, 10-inch strand beads. Oh, very pretty. They're regular, and like the AB finish is kind of like, some of them are on the inside of the bead against the flat piece, some are on the outside. Very pretty. Very, very, very pretty. Okay. The next is check glass faceted rondelle, opal white, AB, 5 by 7 millimeter, 25 pieces. Some of these bead bags are easier to open than others. Oh, these are so pretty. Oh, absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. So this is check glass carved owl, jet black gold, 15 by 18 millimeters, 2 pieces. Oh, how cute are these? And they're the same on both sides. The holes drilled down the center. You can, make these into a pendant for a little choker necklace, or you can make them into a charm for a bracelet. Oh, and I think these are one of my favorites out of this. Check glass table cut square Picasso, jet Picasso, 10 millimeter, 8 pieces. Some of these bags I cannot get open. Oh, these are just, I love table cut beads. Look how gorgeous they are. They just kind of sparkle. Yes, yes, yes. I'm going to be busy with this box. Okay. Check glass faceted rondelle garnet shimmer, 8 by 5 times 6 by 6 millimeter, 20 pieces. Oh, look at these. Wow. These are absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay. And then Czech glass pressed bicone jet black 6mm, 50 pieces. Get this open. Oh, so pretty. Absolutely beautiful. And like I said before, Sam's beads, the holes are all uniform. There's no irregularities to his beads. He's just very good quality, well-made beads. I've never found any that I really couldn't use as far as there's an imperfection in them. Then we got Czech glass lentil crystal AB 8x5mm, 25 pieces. Open this up. Oh, so pretty. Yeah, see, there's an AB finish on it, what I would say the back side, and then the front is clear. Look at that glitter. Oh, absolutely beautiful. Lynn did a great job too. Okay, Czech glass long diamond crystal AB 24x7mm, 8 pieces. Now these are pretty. Okay. Oh, so pretty. And it's like one side has like the frosted AB and right there, and then the rest of it is clear. Absolutely beautiful. And let me push these aside. There's 2 more. This is black onyx smooth round 8mm 7x5" strand. Oh, pretty, pretty. Oh, absolutely beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. You can see the holes. They're perfect. Like I said, that's how I usually grade beads, by the holes in them. And last but not least, we have the premium Czech glass bead mix black and white, 54 grams. I absolutely love when he sends this. It's kind of just a little bit of everything. These almost look like hematite. He's got like these squares, and then these are the little leaves. The hole runs through the top. He's got these opaque looking ones. Very pretty. These look like, these are Czech glass, but they look like hematite too. I'm not pulling them all up, I'm just showing you a few of each. He's got the Czech glass squares, so pretty. And we call these mermaid beads. They have the little AB finish on them. And then, oh, these are cute. The little 2-hole ones. These are really great for, I actually, up on my Etsy store, I have a lariat necklace I made using Altilla beads. And then some seed beads with it. It was a very random, not uniformed kind of necklace. Very boho, which is what most of my jewelry is. Very cute. And I use those. Oh, the mermaid's getting away here. And then, let me see here. Oh, there's just a few of these. Oh, look at these cute little leaves. They're clear, and then they have the black leaf piping through them. And the hole is on the bottom of the leaf, so like you could, I've got so many ideas for these. And then here are some, or some more. There's some little heart beads. Those are so cute. The hole runs down the middle. And here's these pear-shaped AB finish. Very pretty. And then these are more like spacer beads. They're like little disc beads. I use these a lot for spacers. Very pretty. And then we have a couple of the, I thought I saw another one in there. Oh, here we go. Very pretty. Fire polish beads. These look like a 8mm. I think that was it. So that is for the box for October of 2021. Sam and Lynn, thank you again. It was absolutely beautiful. And if you like this channel, subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I put a new video up. I'm going to work on some stuff today, and I will put up another video of what I made. I might do a how-to video, not sure yet. I'm just kind of soaking in all this beauty with these beads. So I will get back to you for my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.